Peace be upon you everyone. This is Mujibur Rahman. Welcome to Mujib Tech YouTube channel. Dear viewers, I hope everyone is doing very well. All praises for Allah, I am also fine. In this video, I am gonna share you how to delete messages in Telegram. So dear viewers, if you have visited my channel for the first time, then you must subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon next to it so that you get the next video first. And many thanks to those who have already subscribed to my channel. And stay connected with Mujib Tech channel to get latest tips and tricks. So let's get started. So dear viewers, at first I have to go Telegram. So I will tap on the Telegram. Then I will tap the chat box. Then I can see the three dot menu above, so I will tap there. After doing it, I can see the deleted chat below and tap there. Deleted chat, are you sure? Want to delete the chat with Freddie Freeman? So I will tap the delete chat. Then it will be deleted. So dear viewers, I hope you all understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. May Allah bless you all.